Look at how the soup is boiling, and the color of the soup is superb. No comparison. Welcome. My name is Ebele Chukwu Francisca, popularly known as AB Lolo. Today, I'll be showing you how to prepare our native soup, Onugbu soup, without using any kind of cues or spices to season my meat. Everything you are seeing here is pure organic. During our forefathers, our mothers don't normally use Maggi to cook soup. Rather, they use what they called ogili or locust bean in English. But now, anything that we want to use, we must put Maggi inside, spices, which is not good for our health. There is time for everything. So the only thing you have to see here is to watch this video very well. Start from the beginning to watch it. Like when it comes to my meat, I use dry fish, cow head, and beef. But at the end of the day, I divided it into two, because I normally, anytime I want to prepare ofede cocoyam soup, I don't cook only one soup. That day I must prepare oha and onugbu together. So what am I trying to say? In that my meat, I divided it into two. I use half of the meat for my oha soup and the other half of the meat for my onugbu soup. So my procedure is simple. You have to wash it properly. Don't rush. Wash from beginning to end. Share for others to learn from it. This is locust bean ogiri Igbo. And the one thing about onugbu soup is that you must use good oil. If you want your onugbu soup to taste good, your bitter leaf soup to taste good, you have to go and look for good oil, good palm oil, good locust bean ogiri Igbo, ezigbote ogiri Igbo. Gote azụ mangara tọrọ ụtọ, ọ bụkwa nke mara ebu. Ahụ olugo onugbu ọ dị fresh. Ọ bụrụ na no during harmattan season, ịma mgbe ahụ onugbu anaghị ekwe acha acha. The only thing ị ga-eme bụ isie ya esie ka inu pụnata. If not, ọ bụrụ na like ikwu inu, you put it like that. Ọ bụrụ na ị were ihe ndị a wee sie ofe onugbu ọtọ ha ụtọ, ị maa na aka gị anaghị atọ ofe ụtọ. You see this soup now, pure organic soup, pure. This kind of soup will give you long life and prosperity. Nothing like kidney problem, liver problem, or whatever, all this hepatitis. No. You see this soup, nothing like spices, no Maggi, nothing. I only use cow head, ogiri Igbo, original one, dry fish, ezigbote mmanụ Igbo dị oke, etc. in any the profile, the video, you will see all the ingredients. But the two things wey use honofab in crayfish and maggi and spices. I just say let me test this method because my mother told me about the soup. My dear, omo, as I cook this soup finish, the thing sweet. E sweet. You go know say better soup na money kill am. If you need your soup to sweet, go and look for sweet dry fish. You see dry fish, na im be the koko for soup. See, forget maggi, forget all these things. Come buy meat. If you get strength, you dry. If you have oven, dry it. Cook and dry. If you don't have, use it like that. Very simple. Thank you for watching. Just try it. Now I have to divide it into 4 and put it inside the fridge. Can be na-eri ofu na-ebutu ofu na-eri. All the his. Please try to share. When you share so that others will learn. Thank you.